Proof by contraposition. And this is the definition. Proof by contraposition is a logical proof technique that establishes the validity of a statement by proving its contrapositive. In this proof, instead of directly proving the original statement, we prove the logically equivalent contrapositive statement. Example: if a person is a teenager, then they are younger than 20 years old. Prove this statement using contraposition. The original statement is if a person is a teenager, then they are younger than 20 years old. And the contrapositive form is if a person is older than or equal to 20 years old, then they are not a teenager. Let's consider a person P who is older than or equal to 20 years old. This means that P is 20 years old or older. Since P is 20 years old or older, they are not within the age range typically considered as a teenager. Therefore, they are not a teenager. By showing that if a person is older than or equal to 20 years old, they are not a teenager. We have proven the contrapositive statement. Since the contrapositive statement is true, the original statement is if a person is a teenager, then they are younger than 20 years old is also true. And note, proof by contraposition is a valid method in logic and mathematics. It allows us to prove a statement by demonstrating the truth of its contrapositive, which can sometimes be easier to establish or work with than the original statement. And that's all. Thank you.